the fullest. Blow like a sock, your mama now no get to another man crazy.
When you hear that, my viewers, keep rich run go make this song. I tell squaddy them fi go ring out them mama. Half a C-tack bust out Thickman head. Kippo, you do this to yourself. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that fi talk about. So no drop some like on the video ya. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. I keep we are talk about, you know, how him beat up and set up himself. So no listen to this.
To the fullest. Blow like a sock, your mama now no get to another man crazy.
When you hear that, my viewers, say if you no want to listen to the rest of that song, they will keep Richard sing and a diss up squaddy them and a big up one other gang them. All you have to do is just look down in the description. It do over on my Instagram page. Run go over there, go listen to it, my people. And then on the forward back right, so come tell me what you think about this. Because that's the reason why Keep Rich is a person of interest, you know. You see, with enough of them artists here, them a group it to gunman, you know. Them a group it to the dance and the general them, you know. And the dance and the general them no rate enough of them, you know. The dance and the general them just a use them, you know. Just have them around for tax them, you know. So look here, my people. Keep Rich, a dancehall artist. How long now Keep Rich no sing a song, boy? When was the last time Keep Rich have a hit song where a mash up, boy? No was Telephone Line. So Keep Rich, all you fi see Thickman, aka One Daddy Badness drop. And you run go in a studio, go voice song, a diss up police, a tell them about them mother, and I talk about one what go happen to them, and know one other gang bad, and what go happen in a Spain town. You never ever think, a clout ya look? Well see it ya, you get all of the clout right now, cause your face dep on every black channel right now. A bag of people are talk about you right now. Police them a say you need to report to. So as what I say, my viewers, enough of them dancehall artists ya. You can't see say enough of them was nobody before them turn artists, you know. Me can't want hype from dead man. Me can't see C-tack go bust out Thickman head. And me from out of nowhere start sing song a big up Thickman and a big up one other gang. And I talk about one what go happen to police. You see say them nah think. That's why I say, Kippo, you do this to yourself, brother. All because of a 5-minute fame, though. All because you not run down hype, though. All because you no love to walk back a dance and general, though. So see it, my people. This is why Keep Rich is a person of interest. Because him never ever use him 5 cents them. Him did a run down clout. Him did a look what? Fame and hype after the one other gang. When him know say him nah do nothing. Him nah squeeze a trigger. All him there round the gang for. And for daddy one tax him. And for the man them use him. So get to youth. You better live and learn, you know. You can't do it for your own, brother. You no need no man, brother. Build your own thing, brother. And stop run back a man thing, brother. You think dance and general rate, you know? If the dance and the general them no rate the youth them, who are busted for them, and who are bleach for them, and who are robber night time for them, you think them are going to rate no dancehall artists when I do nothing for them? So you can't steer them up, people. So that's what I say. Kippo, you do this to yourself, brother. No for you to see and blind, and hear and deaf, and love certain things alone. Because I know say you and Thickman never grow. You and Thickman never ever go to the same basic school. You and Thickman now no history together. So as Thickman drop on him face, no for you to run out. I talk about One Daddy Badness and I big up the dog. She say no for you no fake boy ya. So my people, until next time, I go take away myself, you know. You don't know the code of road. A life over death. You see me?